Here I have Oppo A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the passwords and security section and go to the fingerprint. Tap continue. So first you will have to set up lock screen password. You can just set up a alphanumeric pattern, alphanumeric password or pattern. I'm just gonna set up the simplest numeric PIN code, 4 digits. Continue. So here you can also use different password types. So you can use 4 digits PIN, 4 to 16 alphanumeric or pattern. Okay, so here's my PIN. Then you confirm it. In the following step, you have to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located right here on the power button, and you tap on it with your finger several times in order for it to remember your fingerprint scan. So I suggest you to move your finger to scan different areas. Yeah, that could be useful. And now, for example, you can unlock your device with your fingerprint without entering any password. You just unlock it. You don't even have to press power key. You can slightly put your finger on it and it will unlock instantly. Pretty useful. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.